This is why the Toowoomba Government will take the next step to realising an integrated inland rail link connecting Brisbane and Melbourne. In this budget, we are providing $594 million in additional equity to the Australian Rail Track Corporation for land acquisition and the continuation of pre-construction works.
I think when you look at the announcement and the profound effect that we'll have on opportunity here in our region, it's one of Toowoomba's most important days. But of course, this is real. This is real money. This is almost $1 billion in total that's been committed to getting this rail line started. There are many stages in a project like this, and this is a very good stage one. I think it puts a lot of responsibility back on the Toowoomba Regional Council now to be part of this. Naturally, we have begun to do some work in Steggers Road. We've begun to provide the enabling infrastructure, and we'll be working with those who want to build that project very hard in the next few years to make sure that we are right and ready for when this happens.